I left the whole GoPro in the grocery store. Getting all types of offers. Welcome back, guys. I'm getting my day started. I'm already at Walmart. You see, I'm in parking spot number 2.5. I'm in parking spot number 1.5 because I'm in the middle of 2 parking spots. I got my first order of the day already. We got $14.47 for 3.6 miles. Delivered by 8:23, and that's not possible because it's already 8:24. So let's see what they got for us. Woo, first order of the day. Look at this shit. God damn. You know what? It's all good because it's going to a daycare, so that's cool. But look, woohoo, that's a doozy. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gallons of milk. I don't know how many loaves of bread. Woo, that was a big one. I'm just happy it wasn't no apartment. Alrighty, on to the next one. Next order of the day, we got $25.50 for 7.2 miles. Let's get it. 2 orders on Walmart Spark. Walmart Spark is leading the way, man. I made so much money with Walmart Spark last week, it's not even crazy. So I'm taking this one, and if I get anything on the way, you know the routine, we multi-apping. I made it to Walmart. Look at them employees over there, they working hard as hell. Look at them. That's what I'm talking about. Let me get them groceries, please, and thank you. Alrighty, made it to my first drop off. See how much, and not too much groceries. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off. Next order of the day, we got $13.50 for 4.4 miles. Right back at the same Walmart I was just at. And it's packed up here now. Every single Walmart pickup spot is got a car in it. They pretty packed up here. But it's all good though. We're gonna wait for this order, get this one done, see if we can get something else in the meantime, and keep these wheels rolling. Next order, $17.75 for 4 miles. Almost like 5 miles. It's a shop and deliver and Ruby Tuesday. So hopefully this is a catering order and there's not too many items on the shop and deliver part. Let me go ahead and see. I see $11.75 on the shopping. Few items on there, but then I also see, I can't see the other one. So we're gonna get this shopping done and we're gonna check in at Ruby Tuesdays and see. Catering order. No, it don't look like no catering order, but that's okay though. Made it to the grocery store. I don't mind doing some shopping, you know. If the pay's good, if the miles are good, if the order makes sense, you know, I don't mind doing some shopping. We got $17.75. Let's see how many items they got. Cause I'm not, they got a few items. Not terrible though. Go ahead and get this done.
Yes, sir.
First one, looking for some string cheese. That kind of looks like it. Gotta get that milk. Arizona green tea with ginseng. That's it. Nacho. 14.4. Yep, that's it. Got that shopping done in 9.5 minutes. Man, talk about lucky. I left the whole GoPro in the grocery store, y'all. And I came back and it was still there. We good. Look, I got my next order. We got $14 for 4 miles. We got $1 peak pay. Teriyaki Madness and Qdoba. My 2 favorite spots to pick up from. Let's do it. I cannot be stopped. I'm the fastest dash alive. So it's pretty slow out here today. It is the last day of the month. It's Wednesday also. Wednesday is typically pretty slow out here. What's this? $9.75 for 6.8 miles. That's a 14 mile round trip. No thank you. And it's probably at least 1 no-tip order, so I'm good on that. But you know what? I think I've done about 4 or 5 orders in total. Been out for about 2.5 hours, so not too bad. It's like a little easy rest day in between a day where you actually get good orders. Look at this, the same order, $9.50. They sent me the same order twice, and now they're offering me. Like, it is what it is. I might hang it up here. We'll see what we get next, but these days are just gas money days, you know. Get you a couple dollars to put in the gas tank, fill it back up, and get you ready for the weekend. So we're gonna see if we can get anything else, and if so, we're gonna get it done. But it's gotta be a good order because I'm not doing no trash. We got $16 for 4.6 miles, and my Giano's, I'll take that one. It's $1 peak pay, so that one really would be $14 for 4.6 miles, and I would take that, even without the peak pay. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one done. at least both pickups are in one spot. It's Maggiano's and it's just wings. So Ghost Kitchen, let's go ahead and get it done. It's very, very, very important that you multi-app. So I'm gonna be done for today. And I had, even though it was slow and I only worked for about 2.5 hours, I did extremely well for 2.5 hours. Let's take a look. So if I look at my earnings here on Doordash and I pull up Wednesday, which is today, and you can see there, I've only been active for a total of 1 hour and 56 minutes. But here's the thing, I did do a couple Walmart Sparks while doing all of that. So maybe it's closer to 2.5 hours, but still, for 2.5 hours work, I made 52 bucks on Doordash and 53.47 on Walmart Spark. And if you add that together, that's $105.47. And we're gonna divide that by 2.5 hours, $42 an hour. $42 an hour doing Walmart Spark and Doordash, maximizing. So, you know, it was plenty of trash orders out there I could have kept going, but I don't want to do no more trash offers. I'm not going for Top Dasher no more. There is no need for me to take an order that's not profitable for me. And ain't no more orders out there profitable for me. But 2.5 hours of work, I was able to make $105. 42 bucks an hour. Multi-app, Dash, do what's profitable for you. Don't just think that you have to take everything on Doordash or everything on Walmart or Grubhub. Take what's profitable and leave the rest in the trash can. I'll catch you in the next one.